minus 1. Okay, right. Right now. Very good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Some standard results on transformations. In triangle ABC, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to 4 sin a sin b sin c, and cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to first one. See that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. This is LHS. We apply transformations for the first two terms. What is sin CA plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin sum by 2. Sum means 2a plus 2b by 2 is a plus b into cos difference by 2. ఎక్కడున్నా సార్ క్లాస్లో ఇక్కడ పెరిగిపోయింది. sin c plus sin d 2 sin sum by 2 2a plus 2b by 2 and cos difference by 2. Sin 2c I'll write as this. Equal to 2 sin a plus b I write 180 minus c and right. Shall I write 180 minus c? A plus b plus c is 180. So I write this is pi minus c into cos of a minus b. I'll write sin 2c now 2 sin c cos c, because I'm going to get sin c term in the first term, sin c factor in the first term. So I'll write sin 2c also in terms of sin c. So this is 2 sin 180 minus c is sin 180 minus c is first week sin c. Very good. Sin c cos of a minus b as it is, don't change. 2 sin c cos c. So I'll take 2 sin c common. 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus cos c. Any doubts, sir? Very good. Now First term it is in the form of cos C plus cos D, but first term is cos of in terms of AB, but the second term is cos C. So I will write C also in terms of AB. In terms of AB, that 2 sin C into cos of A minus B plus cos pi minus C, I will write, pi minus A plus B. C can be written as pi minus A plus B, because A plus B plus C equal to pi. It is cos pi minus theta form. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta equal to 2 sin C into cos of A minus B minus cos theta. Theta means A plus B. See the bracket again. Compound angles, observations. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin C into 2 sin A sin B, and finally the result is 4 sin A sin B sin C. Make it note fast. Yes. See the next one. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to, same apply cos c plus cos d transformations formula for first two terms, equal to 2 cos sum by 2 is a plus b into cos difference by 2, 2a minus 2b by 2 is a minus b plus cos 2c. I will write a plus b as 180 minus c, 2 cos pi minus c into cos of a minus b plus cos 2c. First I am writing a plus b as 180 minus c because a plus b plus c is 180. Cos pi minus c is, cos pi minus c is minus cos, very good. This is minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b plus, I will write cos 2c also in terms of cos c. We have cos 2c formulas, more number of ways. In terms of sin square is there, in terms of cos square is there, in terms of tan square is there. But if I write in terms of cos square, it will be useful, we can take common. So what is the formula cos 2c in terms of cos c? 2 cos square c Very good, very good. So I take 2 cos c common from first two. 2 cos c తీద్దాం minus 2 cos c తీద్దాం. So minus 2 cos c. Take minus 2 cos c common. We'll get cos of a minus b minus cos c. Minus 1. That minus 1 I'll write in the first. Equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos of c as pi minus a plus b. Again cos pi minus theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus 1 minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus cos of pi minus a plus b is minus of minus becomes plus cos. Cos difference plus cos sum. 2 cos a cos b. Cos sum plus cos difference is 2 cos a equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos a. I cannot fast. Important are these two. Finished sin 2a plus sin 2b plus. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Give gap for right hand side. I didn't remember. It should be root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2 you should get. 3 root 3 by 2 you should get. Will equal to something else. What to do? Maybe 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Let us see. 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Let us see. Same concept. Same concept. Sin c plus sin d formula. What up? Make it fast. Assignment से discuss चले. मैं doubt sir. Fourth one. Make it fast. Complete आएगा. Finish. Minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Formula, these two are most important formula. You must remember. Must to remember the formula. If it is asked in the direct question, you can verify by giving angles. Okay, but sometimes we are going to apply the formula, so we need to remember. Right. Now sin c plus sin d formula. Tell me what is that? 2 sin sum by 2 a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c as is. Two sin shall I write pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2, sorry, c by 2. Since a plus b plus c is pi, then a plus b plus c by 2 is pi by 2. So a plus b by 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus c by 2. Very doubt, sir. Cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin c, I'll write 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus c by 2 as sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta. That is cos c by 2. And when I say theta, then only you will give answer. Otherwise, pi by 2 minus c by 2 is we don't know. We know only pi by 2 minus theta. Sin c by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus c by 2 is cos c by 2. Into cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. So we can take common 2 cos c by 2. What else? Cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. So I will convert to sin c by 2 also in terms of a plus b and cos. So I will write this 2 cos c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2. So very important. Here I am converting a plus b by 2 in terms of c by 2, and here the c by 2 I am converting into a plus b by 2. Very confusing. So we have to convert a plus b by 2 to c by 2 or c by 2 to a plus b by 2 for our convenience, because I will take cos c by 2 common, so that I am converting a plus b by 2 in terms of c by 2. Whereas here first term is in terms of ab, so I am going to convert the c by 2 in terms of ab. So write c by 2 as pi by 2 minus a plus b by 2 equal to 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos of a plus b by 2. Very good. It is in the form cos difference plus cos of 2 cos a cos b, means 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. 2 cos c by 2 into 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. As a result, 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. That's what I said. Very good. Memory great. 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Make a note fast. I'll give you homework as cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal to dash. Cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal to dash. One bit. And second bit, sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. And third bit, cos square a, not sin 2a, it is sin square a. See that pen pencil. Sin square a cos square b plus cos square c. So how to do it, sir? First one we can, no problem. What about how to do second and third? Any hint? Make it first. Now can you do cos a plus cos b plus cos c? First one. Very good. This is okay, no problem. What about this? I'll write sin square a as 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Right? Shall I write like this? Second time 1 minus cos 2b by 2. Third time 1 minus cos 2c by 2. So split into 2 terms each. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 common. What is the bracket? Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus. This we did already. And the problem 1 or problem 2 starts. Or you substitute the value. Minus 1 minus 4 cos a cos b. Can you do this? By writing sin square a as 1 minus cos 2a by 2, cos square b as 1 minus cos 2b by 2, cos square c as 1 minus cos 2c by 2. Whatever third, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Cos square b is 1 plus cos 2b by 2. 3 by 2 plus. So in both 3 as homework, make a note faster. Now we discuss assignment problems. Direct fourth question. Tell me sincerely, how many did not do the assignment? Sincerely. Tell me sincerely. I didn't do, sir. Very good. Andar chehe, sir. I didn't do assignment, sir. Tell me sincerely. 1, 2, very good. మనకి ఒక దరిద్రమైన హ్యాబిట్, ఎవరైనా చేస్తే లైన్ కట్టేస్తాం. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఆ రోజు ఓన్లీ యూ టూ డిడ్. ఓకే, వాట్ అబౌట్ యూ సార్? యు డిడ్. ఏంటి అమ్మాయి బలవంతంగా 2 చేతులు కదా వచ్చేయండి అంటే ఎస్టర్డేస్ హోంవర్క్. యు డిడ్. First row, you did very good. Third one. Find
sin pi by 14.
sin pi by
14.
Okay.
Into sin 3 by 14.
3 pi by 14.
Into sin pi by 14.
Sin pi by 14.
Sin 7 pi by 14.
More typing. Okay, very good problem. So much problem, sir. Sin 9 pi by 14. Sin 11 pi by 14. Sin 13 pi by 14. Up to this, isn't it? Very good, right? Excellent sum, sir. Thanks, sir. See here. The first 3 vectors as is, I'll write. Sin pi by 14, sin 3 pi by 14, sin 5 pi by 14, 7 pi by 14 means sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2, this is 1. This I write sin pi minus 5 pi by 4. Shall I write? Pi minus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. What is sin pi minus 5 pi by 14? 14 pi minus 5 pi. So I'll write 9 pi as pi minus 5 pi by 14. So pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta itself. So I'll write this as sin 5 pi by 14. This as sin 3 pi by 14. Similarly, this is sin pi by 14. By using sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta formula. By using this formula. Any doubts, sir? Observe that the remaining three factors are repeated. So this I can write sin pi by 14 into sin 3 pi by 14 into sin 5 pi by 14 whole square. Isn't it? I'll write this product of sines in terms of cos. Because if a product of cos is cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta and so on like this. Then this value equal to 1 by 2 power 3 if it is 3. If it was cos 4 theta 3 by 4. CS rule. So I will convert like this. So right up to here I will discuss this.